Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics. First, focus on building a rock-solid foundation. Understand every concept deeply before attempting problems. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the underlying principles. This initial investment of time will pay off immensely as you progress. Make sure your mathematical tools are sharp too, as they are essential for physics. Next, engage in active learning. Don't just passively read. Solve a diverse range of problems. When you make a mistake, analyze it carefully to understand why. Teaching a concept to a friend or even explaining it aloud to yourself can reveal areas where your understanding is weak. Aim for consistent practice, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily. Choosing the right resources is crucial. Stick to 1 or 2 good textbooks and supplement with trusted online materials. Consistent revision is key. Revisit topics weekly to reinforce your memory. Also, integrate full-length mock tests into your schedule. Simulating exam conditions will help you manage time and reduce anxiety, preparing you for the actual test. Finally, remember that your mindset and well-being are paramount. Stay positive and motivated, even when facing challenges. Take short, regular breaks, perhaps 10 minutes every hour, to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Prioritize adequate sleep and a balanced diet. These are not luxuries but necessities for optimal cognitive function and sustained effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.